explorers! Have you ever wondered how apples grow on trees? Let's take a juicy journey through the life cycle of an apple tree. It all starts with a little apple seed. We plant it in the soil, give it sunshine and water and wait. Soon, a green sprout pops out of the ground. It becomes a seedling with little leaves growing taller and stronger every day. The seedling grows into a small tree. It grows branches, bark, and lots of leaves. But no apples yet, just wait. One day, the tree is big enough to grow blossoms beautiful flowers. Bees come to visit and help pollinate the tree. After the flowers, apples begin to grow. They get bigger and juicier until they're ready to be picked. Inside each apple, there are more seeds ready to grow new apple trees. And the life cycle begins again. From seed to apple tree, what a sweet adventure. Thanks for growing with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more with us every week.